Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Yamaha V Star 250. This bike has got awesome sounding pipes. Let me just say it right now. You know, a lot of times you get these little lightweight cruisers and doesn't make much noise. Well, this one makes some noise. You're gonna love it. Only got about 8,000 miles. Beautiful maroon burgundy color. Metallic paint is beautiful. V-twin 250, just $24.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, Hot Rod 250. Go Rob, go! Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.